acted against the Jedi.
Erica, you at work or something? I smell it.
New Jedi training hat.
Yeah, I made some.
I don't know what happened to it though.
What do you think?
Awesome.
You know? Oh, there it is.
Did you put honey on it?
It wasn't really any.
Dark side will never penetrate this.
Don't reflect off the doctor too much, you'll burn them.
Disgusting. Seems I've experienced.
Oh. Don't.
Yeah.
It's nasty, dude. Being sexually harassed by epileptic.
I will say this, my last
At least your stalker's good looking, Will.
Really? There was like hair in our fridge.
Oh, that's icky.
It's always a plus until he pages you in front of you. Exactly. Note to self, never give Howie my home address.
He's already talking about your extra bedroom, Doc.
I'm moving.
Drive in from Rancho pretty far, so you know, just stay for 2-3 days at a time.
Yeah.
If you want to leave the key on your mat or something, don't leave it work earlier. We'll take care of it. Kind of fun.
Thomas, I'm heating water in the tea kettle
Yeah.
to make that.
I got
I
it.
want to mail me a key before I come out.
I'm glad you two have taken such a liking to each other. If you were the last serial killer on Earth, I would petition for the release of Charles Manson to be my stalker rather than you. That's how disgusted I am with your stalking.
It's nice of you, buddy. I like the hat, Jedi George.
What do you think, Master?
Phenomenal.
I think your name shall be ChickenSnores.
ChickenSnores.
Instead of Chicken George.
It wasn't bad last night, Doc.
He was working for him. Snore. He will snore you out of here. Between
At
confusion
one
and
point, I
snoring.
wook up and it was just you and I in the room, and that was about 4 in the morning because no one else could take it.
Between my confusion and your snoring, Georgie,
Making
I think
earrings.
Dr. Will may be making a quicker exit this
Between
year.
your chronic masturbation and Chicken George's snoring, I gotta get out of
Well,
here.
jerk it once.
Whatever, dude.
I'll move in with you, James.
You're hot, Erica.
You're hot too, Howie.
George, I love you for about 16 hours.